How to use Zendesk for customer service. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Zendesk for customer service. Now, Zendesk, if you did not know already, is a platform that is going to basically give you a lot of tools when it comes to helping you out for customer service for your company or team. So basically, it's going to provide you many products and tools. Like you can see here, you can have a live chat, messaging, AI, and automations, and you can voice chat as well. You've got AI agents and plenty more. So let's actually go ahead and jump into the tutorial and first talk about the pricing. So if we can just go for service, we can see the three plans except for enterprise that they offer: the team, growth, and professional here. So it's going to be $55 per agent per month, 89 per agent per month, and 115 per agent per month. And you can see and compare the plans for yourself. I'm not going to actually go ahead and go through them because I don't want to waste your time. So you can just navigate to this page yourself and see which ones actually suit you and your team best and go for it. But it does actually include a free trial, so you can actually go ahead and try it for free, see if you like it or not, and also just test things out before you jump in and subscribe to any of those plans. So let's actually go ahead and start for free. So to start a free trial, we can just go ahead to the homepage, start your free trial, and set up our account. So let's actually go ahead and set these things up, and I will come back to you once I'm done. Okay, so once you finish up your setup, you should find yourself with the Get Started tab here, as you can see. Now, for the setup or for the signing up process, they are going to ask you for your personal information like first name, last name, your email, business email, and also things like your phone number and business and all those things. And after all of that, you will need to confirm your email by verifying it, and that's pretty much it. And you should be greeted with this, the getting started thing, where you can, I suggest that you actually go ahead and read through it because it's very useful and it's going to really tell you what Zendesk is going to help you with. Like here, you can see that whenever someone or a customer actually emails you, it's going to be as a ticket. And with the tickets, you can actually respond to them and give them the proper response. So actually, let me just go ahead and skip all of this and go to my dashboard. So within the dashboard here, you should find all of the tickets that you have. You've got all your open tickets and you've got your ticket statistics as well here. So in here, for example, we have this sampled ticket which they give us. Just, we can get a feel of how a ticket is going to be. With the ticket, you can actually see information about the customer. You can see their email, language, and all of those things. And you can also add notes to a specific customer. And here is going to show you the interactions, or if it was an order or whichever interactions that you had is going to appear in here. This way is going to help you and save you a lot of time instead of, digging for more information about the specific customer and each and every single customer. So here you can see I'm sending an email because I'm having a problem setting up your new product. Can you help me troubleshoot? Thanks, customer. And you can go ahead and reply. You can make it a public reply or internal note. Also, you will find who's assigned to actually, tackle the ticket. If there's also any agents to follow, you can also have them here, and tags and so on. So let me go back to the dashboard again. So here is going to, like I said, show you all the tickets. And you can also add tickets from the top right. So you can just go ahead to the add button over here. And you can either add ticket, user, organization, or search. If you want to add a ticket, you'll be able to go ahead and add the ticket. First is going to be who's actually like the requester, as it says here. So you can either use their email, for example, like example at exampleuser.com. So add user. There you go. This user is added. Now it's going to give us more information to add for this specific user. So let me give them a name. test user 1, and then you'll need to specify whether it is a end user or staff member. So it's an end user, so let me just go ahead and click on add, and now we have actually added the requester. Here we can add notes about them, and we can see the interactions later on once they actually appear. Assignee is going to be staff members that are within this space, so we can just go ahead and assign myself because there's no one else currently. So let me just go to assign to support and then myself. And then if there's also any agents to follow, you can also add them in here. Now for the tags, we can add tags that are related to this specific incident or problem or whatever it is. And also add tags maybe related to the urgency of the task. Tags are going to be completely optional. If you want to add them and have specifics between you and your team members that you know of, you can add them. Now for the type, you can also add whether it's an incident, problem, task, or question. So it's a question. The priority is low, normal, high, or urgent. So let me just do normal. Let's actually make it a problem. Okay, so here you can enter the subject. So this is basically you entering the tickets manually. But then again, like I said, if someone sends you an email to your support email, then it's going to be added automatically for you, and it's going to show you the subject, what they're talking about, and everything automatically. But if in certain situations, if you can't, someone can't really send you an email, they tell you about it, and you can add them manually in here. So, you can add the subject and a description and all of those things, and you can obviously reply to them either a public reply or internal note and so on. So let me just go ahead and actually exit out of here, and let's go to actually start adding people, because the first thing actually it should be before the entire ticket thing, you should add your staff members. So to do so, it's very simple. We just go ahead and click on the add again. Sorry, that was quick add. So we just hover over it and we just click on user, and in here we will need to give them a name. Example 2. Oops, sorry. Example 2 at example user at .com. Okay, there you go. So did I just, okay, you know what? Let me just copy this, paste it here. Excuse me. So here we can just do test user staff. And let's say it's actually a staff member, it's not an end user. So here we will actually be given a new place where we can pick a role for the user. So if it's an admin, we can actually make them an admin here. If it's an agent, we can set them to be an agent, or if it's a contributor, we can also set them to be that. So if it's an admin, we can just add that. But let me just keep it as an agent and add them. So now we have our first staff member here. So we can obviously see more about them, see what they're all about, see stuff here like their groups. If you want to group it to different groups, you can also add more groups, and all of those informations about the person. Now in here, you will have your views. For views, you will see the tickets in more of a breakdown. So unassigned tickets, you will see all unsolved tickets. You can see recently updated and so on. And you can see the ones that are assigned to you within the dashboard and so on. So here you can see unsolved tickets in your group. This is the group that is we are in, which is the support group. So you can just, quickly just navigate to them, see them, and reply to them, and consider it done. So we can actually now see other things like organizations. So we actually can create organizations. So if you want a specific team on a specific customer support, we can also do so. To create a organization, which is a different organization, we can do so by just again going to the add button, going to organization, give it a name. So we just give it one, and then we just give it a domain. So let's just do random domain dummy .com. Click on that, and you've got yourself your organization here, and you can actually add users in here for this organization. So now you've got yourself your tickets. We can exit out of them. It's not going to delete them. It's just going, it's tabs, just like, you use your Google Chrome. It's just tabs. So we can actually exit out of them. And it's going to take us back here. So that's pretty much Zendesk for you. So it's very simple and easy. Just set up your business email, and you can set up macros, by the way, and triggers and so on. Macros are things like auto replies, but like one-click auto replies. This way, it's going to, if you get a reoccurring kind of question or problem, you can just use macros. It's going to help you a lot. You can use a lot of things like automations and stuff as well. So you've got plenty of tools to work with Zendesk for your customer support, and it's very easy to use. If you want to go ahead and see more in depth, you can just go through all of them. Like the agent stuff, we didn't really touch on that too much, the apps and integrations as well. But it's going to be fairly simple, and I don't really think that you will need to go through all of this at the time, because it's pretty simple and obvious, and the user interface is very friendly. So with that being said, that's how to use Zendesk for customer support. I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.